we need to write this clue down in our handy-dandy notebook. Okay, a spoon. So, a long line here for the handle and a curve there, and now we have a spoon. Notebook. Okay, a bowl. Looks like, well, there's a circle at the top and a curve here and over here. And we have a bowl.
Notebook.
Notebook. Okay, we need to write down these vegetables. So, a carrot with the green stuff on top, and a potato with eyes, and a celery stick with some lines. Vegetables. There. Well, we have our last clue. Do you know what this means? We're ready for our
Turn the page.
Thinking chair.
thinking chair. Let's go.